Hey, my bestie. Welcome to Quiz Slice. Today's fun pick. Would you rather in Zombies 4 edition? So think quick, trust your vibe, and pick your side. All right, let's dive in and see what you choose. First one. In Seabrook High, would you rather befriend Zed or befriend Addison? Whose voice steals the spotlight, Eliza or Willa? Drop your pick in the comments. This one's tough. Okay, would you rather vibe with legends in the making? Big energy, big dreams, or the place to be?
Welcome to the light.
All the vibes, all the fun. Hard choice for you. Which team are you reppin'? Team Daywalker with all that firepower?
With the Daywalkers,
Or Team Vampire?
vampires, we come out underneath.
And their cool wind moves. All right, time's up. Hit like if you're Team Daywalker, and subscribe if you're rolling with Team Vampire. What's more, don't forget to drop a comment to find your squad. Style check. Would you rather glow up in the white and gold Daywalker costumes, or rock those gothic vampire outfits? Okay, real question. Which couple do you totally ship? Addison and Zed? The love story that started it all, or Nova and Victor? The new power couple with major vampire vibes? Let's see if you remember this one. What job do Zed and Addison take at camp? Spot on, they become camp counselors. Back to You Would Rather challenge. Would you rather have Zed as your camp counselor or go with Addison? All right, now let's talk romance. Would you rather date Zed, the zombie with a heart of gold, or date Victor, the vampire heir, mysterious and totally intense? Song showdown time. Would you rather vibe with Ain't No Doubt About It or Dream Come True? All right, let's test your memory. Can you finish this line? Woo-hoo! You're totally in sync with the lyrics. Okay, pick your side. Would you rather team up with Commander Bright or stand tall with Mrs. Eldris? Which song do you prefer? Like the Zombies Do or My Own Way? Dance Like a Zombie or Walk Your Path? Let's see how well you know this song. Can you finish the line? Whoa, you nailed it. That was spot on. New challenge for you. Can you spot Addison and Zed in this scene? Here they are. Did you spot it? Nothing but love or dream come true. Which song do you prefer? Alien Invasion or Come On Out? Pick one. Would you rather stay in Seabrook forever or travel the universe with the aliens? Fired Up or My Year? Bring the hype or own the moment? Awesome job, quiz crew. Which team had your heart? Descendants or Zombies 4? Drop your score or favorite pick in the comments. Like if you had fun, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic showdowns. See you in the next quiz.